Good evening, everybody. This is Mike with Backwards Machining. I'm at it again. I watched a video, I don't know, a couple months back. This old Tony, he did a video on a vise for his mill, a specialty vise. And, I don't know, it got me thinking, it was actually it was a good idea and very useful. So, fast forward, a lot of swear words and heartache and end mills, and here I am. Let me show you around. This is 4140 steel. I use the same hardware that I use for these guys here, the 5-inch and the 4-inch. That way the T-nuts and just everything's going to fit. And because I don't want to keep swapping hardware around. The only thing that I changed was this. This is a 1/2x13. Both of these. Essentially, all that happens is, you screw these in, 2 of these, and it pushes this plate forward, pushing your part into this, which, will be stationary with, these mounted with the T-nuts underneath. So this will be locked down. And this will be locked down. So this vise is what's moving, or this part is what's moving by these by 2 screws. Imaginary 2 screws. One's missing, as you can tell. But yeah, most of the surfaces were machined as best I could. I do have a surface grinder. Unfortunately, at the moment, I'm using it as a coat rack / workbench. So, and I still got to put it together. And that's been on my priority list now for a couple months. So, I'll get there. But I just want to give you guys an update, what was going on. Hope everybody's well. And catch you later.